and graphing. Now I was at the table the other day and I saw Merri sitting there crying her eyes out. And as one of them single tears splat on her graph paper, I said, Merri, what seems to be the problem? She said, Bobby Kenwoud, I can find the points on the graph, but I don't know the coordinates. And I said, well, do not fret. Bobby Kenwoud is here. Let's do it together. So let's try that first one. That's an A, correct? She said, yes. I said, okay, let's give it some coordinates. Remember that X and Y axis we talked about? And that's the formula that we're gonna use? Well, that's what we're gonna implement right here, okay? So let's visualize it. All we gotta figure out is how far left or right we go on this X axis. And it looks like one to the right. So that's a positive one. Let's go ahead and mark it. How far up do we go? 1, 2. Looks like a 2 on the y-axis, which means up and down. So guess what? Give it a 2. That's our first point. Plotted, coordinated. You gotta get your coordinates. You gotta coordinate. Now let's do the next one. That's an S. Okay. Start off at our 0, 0. And on the x-axis we go 1, 2, 3. 3. That's the magic number. And guess what? We went backwards. So it's -3. And now let's continue. 1, 2, 3. Once again, we got a negative since we went down on the y-axis, not up. It is a -3. And it's not just the fact that you went down, it's that you went below the 0 line. Okay? This denotes 0, 0, 0. But let's continue. That's in a whole nother video. So we got our H next. Let's get our coordinates ready. Okay. We're on this x-axis and we're going left, which means it's negative, and we go -1. Bam. Okay, we in there. Now, we don't go up or down. So you don't get anything on the y-axis, which means you get a big fat donut. Okay, and there you go. -1, 0 is this point plotted. And last but not least, we want to say E, and we out of here from the playground. You know, playground. Now, we don't go anywhere on the x-axis. So that's a big fat 0 to begin with. Not a heart, but a 0. There we go. A little bit better. It's just, oh, okay, see, you know what? It just got worse and worse. How about that? Didn't go anywhere, but we did go down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you hit them with the -4. And there you go. All your points is plotted. And now it's time to get the real secret, which is once we spell all this out, you got the sacred word, Ashe, which also means power.